Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add blog posts on WordPress. So if you're logged in and you're in the back end of your WordPress site here, I am on 8482media.com. Quick way to do it is just come up to new and go ahead and click post. Now when you click post, that's going to automatically add a new blank template to your blog. All right. Now, if you've imported any theme or a variety of presets into WordPress, this is going to work as well, unless you're working off a very custom design that doesn't use any themes. But usually WordPress categorizes all new posts into blogs. Okay. So I'm going to be going through and adding new blogs from the 8482 YouTube channel and kind of adding to them as the business progresses. We're going to go with this one here. All right. So transitioning between color LUTs and adjustment layers in Premiere Pro. All right. For those of you interested in video editing, we have a ton of content and much more on the way. So I'm just going to copy. You want to put your title in the very first little block within WordPress. And here you have the option to type. You can add, different things from the design library, for example. You could make these blogs, really beautiful or as simple as you want. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just add this video. All right. So if I click on the block and I want to select YouTube, or if you don't see that, you could search for it, whatever you're looking for. And it's going to ask me for the URL. So I'm going to come back to YouTube, go ahead and copy that URL and paste it into the video. So go ahead, take the time. You can add captions. You can come up, click the add block to, again, create all kinds of cool new blogs for your site. And what you're going to want to do next is come up to the post tab on the right hand side, and you can categorize it. All right. So you can create a new category for your blog, or if you already have existing categories, I'm going to go ahead and select video editing and Premiere Pro templates here. And then you can tag, for SEO purposes, some of your relevant tags that would work with the blog. So for this one, I'm going to put color LUTs, transitioning between adjustment layers, Premiere Pro. And as you add more and more, it will show you your most used tags. You can just go ahead and click on some of these, and add a few more. You don't want to get too crazy. You just want to really include tags that are within your title or very relevant to your post. All right. So let's call that good. Then you can set a featured image. So this is going to be what shows up on your site for the blog post. Now, a lot of these are going to resize for you, so you don't have to worry too much about getting the perfect sizing. You can get a lot of free stock images various places online. If you're not too worried about that, you could just use images from Google, or if you've taken your own photos, that's even better. And I'm just going to search here for something that's relevant. So color. I'm currently on Motion Array. There we go. There's a nice transition between color that I can use. That's going to go ahead and download. Another free site to use and check out is unsplash.com. So you can check out Unsplash. You don't even need to give credit to any of the photographers. It's a site that allows free images to be used for copyright. I recommend a brief summary or matching the first few sentences of your blog. And you have the option to, check to allow comments and trackbacks on the page in case you have Jetpack or some software installed on WordPress that is going to give you some data on how many people check out the blog, etc., etc. All right, so let's go ahead and add this image. We're going to go ahead and click Set Featured Image, go to Media Library, and then upload files, and I can just drag this photo that I've downloaded. All right, once it's fully uploaded, you will see it highlighted with a blue box and a check mark. Make sure that's the one that you want selected, and go ahead, click Featured Image. You can see it will automatically resize here. and review everything. Make sure you like everything that you're going to put out, and you can go ahead and click publish. It will give you a, are you ready to publish? A couple more little segments you can review and look through. But I'm going to publish this one now. You can also schedule them to be published, which is a very cool thing that WordPress has. So you can schedule it, when it goes up, and go ahead and click publish. And then you have the option to view the post. All right, so here I can see, I love this theme, the theme that we have. Beautiful theme. You can see here your entire blog. And again, if you had wanted to make it prettier or add different things within the design library, you totally can. And that's it. Please let me know in the comments if this helped you out, and subscribe to the channel. Check us out on YouTube if you haven't already. Drop your comments below if you have any requests for future quick tutorials that you need help with.